Welcome, my dear 10th standard students. In this session, I am going to tell you about resource and development, chapter number 1. In my last session, I have completed what is resource and what are the types of resources and what is sustainable development and how do we manage resources and make development in our nation. So, in this session, I am going to deal with the topic soil and types of soil. There are variety types of soils, but I am going to cover only three types, that is alluvial soil, black soil and red soil. Soil is the most important layer of the crust, and it takes millions and millions of years for the formation of soil. Why is this soil necessary for us? This soil is necessary for us for plants, especially for plants. It provides nutrition for plants. If soil is there, we grow plants and therefore we have food security. If soil is not there, we cannot do any kind of agriculture and we will not get any food. And factors related to the formation of soil. What are these factors related to the formation of soil is relief features, climate, vegetation, and even time and other lives. And the soil contains organic and inorganic materials also. Soil, a very fertile soil, is actually most important for all the living beings in our earth. So, let us go to the session. We have finished with what is soil, and I am going to deal with the types of soils. That is, we have 6 types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid soil, and forest soil. First of all, let me tell you about alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is found in Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Bigger size of soils are found in Chaos and Terai region. There are two types of soil, that is Bangar and Khadar. Bangar means old soil. Khadar means new soil. Bangar has nodules in that, and Khadar does not have nodules in that. Therefore, Khadar is most fertile soil when compared to Bangar. This soil contains potassium and phosphoric acid and lime. Using this soil, you can grow crops like paddy, wheat, and other cereals and pulses. And this is a very fertile soil. Therefore, wherever you see this soil, more of agriculture will be done in the soil and more of population will be there in the soil. If the soil is found in dry regions, proper irrigation facility will be necessary for the agriculture purpose. Next, let me tell you about black soil. Black soil is also called as regur soil or black cotton soil. This soil is very useful for cotton crop, to grow cotton crop. This soil is found in the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and in deltas of Krishna, Godavari and Deccan Plateau. This soil is very clayey and it holds more moisture in that. And it contains calcium carbonate, magnesium and lime. And if you see this black soil, it contains, when you see a dry black soil, it has more cracked things in that. So therefore, air moves forward and backward very easily. Therefore, aeration is very important for cottons. So this soil helps for cottons. And this soil is also called as regur soil. Next, let me tell you about red or yellow soil. This soil is found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Ganga plain. and it is reddish in color and it due to diffusion of iron crystalline and metamorphic rock. And when it dries up really, it becomes yellow in color. Thank you, children.